The capital letter alphabets. Varun, will you write the English alphabets?
Y, Z.
These are the lowercase or small alphabets. Yasmin, write down the uppercase or capital alphabets.
A, B, C, D, E. X, Y, Z.
Good. So there are 26 alphabets in English, and mostly we use small alphabets for writing. We use the capital alphabets at particular places. Their usage is governed by certain set of rules. Definition: alphabets are a set of letters that have a certain fixed order and are used to write and express a language. They represent the basic sounds of a language. English has 26 alphabets, which can be written in both lower and uppercase. Small letters are used more in writing, while the capital letters are used at specific places according to set rules. Let us look where capital letters are used in English. Pronoun I. This is what I want to do. The first letter of any sentence. He is a strong boy. She is stronger than him. Proper nouns. Tarun, Allahabad. Days of week. Monday. Months. March. Countries, cities. India, New Delhi. Nationalities. Indian. Languages, English. Streets, Mahatma Gandhi Road. Buildings and monuments, Empire State Building, Taj Mahal. Rivers, Mississippi. Religions, Buddhism. Festivals, Christmas. Companies, Microsoft. Abbreviations,